At Edmund Optics, we take our support seriously. I'm Kristina Kaszei, Head of Product and Application Support at Edmund Optics, and we are dedicated to ensuring our team is equipped to answer your questions on your timeline. Teledyne is here, helping train our team on Teledyne's vision solutions today. Whether you select Teledyne DALSA or Teledyne FLIR IIS cameras, or a microscope camera from Teledyne Lumenera, our team is ready to assist customers with their inquiries.
So at Teledyne, we're also focused on customer support. Imaging is really what we do, and listening to the voice of our customers and being there to support our customers as they create and innovate is a critical part of our success. This extends to ensuring that our partners are well trained and that they share the same passion for the products that we've engineered and designed. Edmund Optics carries and supports complementary products, including lighting and filters and lensing, and this adds value to our shared customers. And with their 24/7 support offering, customers get their questions answered quickly without the frustration of having to wait.
Yes, and as Shari Anne mentioned, with our 24/7 support, please do not hesitate to chat with us, talk on the phone with us, email, anything to help you with your application needs. We're here for you.